If you drive a 2007 to 2014 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD or 3500 HD, your vehicle relies heavily on its TRW EBC-345 ABS module to maintain safe braking performance. Because it controls critical anti-lock braking functions, a failure in this module can trigger warning lights and even completely drain your battery. In this video, we're going to walk you through the common symptoms of a failed ABS module and tell you how we can help you get back up and running safely and quickly. The most common symptoms of a failed ABS module include the ABS pump running continuously or getting stuck on, which will quickly drain your truck's battery even when the ignition is completely turned off. You may also experience an illuminated ABS or brake warning light on your dashboard, intermittent functionality of your anti-lock braking system, or a complete lack of communication when attempting to hook up a diagnostic scanner to the module. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, we recommend scanning your ABS module for trouble codes and then troubleshooting the issues to determine whether the ABS module is the root cause of the failure before proceeding with a module repair. Unfortunately, sourcing a brand new replacement module from the dealership can prove to be an incredibly expensive task, sometimes accompanied by back orders. If you decide to try a used part from a salvage yard, this is a major gamble as well, as it could already be faulty or nearing a failure. This is because they lack upgrades to the original factory weaknesses, meaning that even if you find one that works initially, it is highly prone to suffering from the exact same failure down the road. Because of this, we offer an affordable repair service to remanufacture your original module completely. At Circuit Board Medics, our rebuild targets the root cause of these common failures. We address all known failure points of the Silverado ABS module, completely restoring and upgrading it with high-quality components that meet or exceed original equipment specifications to drastically increase its overall lifespan. Our service fully preserves your original programming and configurations. This means that when you receive your module back, it is a 100% plug-and-play solution. Simply bolt it back into place, plug it in, and you are all set. No expensive dealership programming or flashing required. We back our work with a fast, industry-leading turnaround time and our comprehensive, no-hassle warranty for total peace of mind. Our process is very simple. You just need to purchase the repair service on our website, and you'll receive an email with instructions for how to ship your module to our US-based facility. Once we receive it, we will fully rebuild and test your ABS module within 1 business day and ship it right back to you. If you're ready to restore your truck's functionality and get back on the road quickly, you can visit us at circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call or text at 800-547-2049. We look forward to serving you.